Hello, my dear learning partners. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing great by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Today, I'm very excited because I'm going to take a special session. Guess what? A practice session of some basic questions which are frequently used when we meet someone, when we want to know about someone. Okay? Here, I will ask some questions and you have to answer them. You have to speak with me. Okay, ready? Here, I am the blue one and the red one is you. Okay, let's get started. How are you today? What's your name? What's your nick or pet name? Where are you from? What do you do? What's your favorite color? What do you want to be in your future? What's your father's name? What's your mother's name? সো কেমন লাগলো প্র্যাকটিস সেশনটা? যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে নতুন ভিডিও পেতে চোখ রাখো আমার চ্যানেলে। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।